Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm doing things a little different. We're sitting in this awkward little corner of my beauty room because I want to share with you guys my skincare fridge really quickly. I didn't want a skincare fridge right off the bat. I did see these like on Instagram, not this specific beauty fridge, but I did see other beauty fridges on Instagram like a couple years ago, like 2 years ago I think. But this all started with me wanting a small mini fridge for my beauty room, just to keep like protein shakes and waters in here, in case I'm filming or doing laundry or something. I won't have to go downstairs and disturb all my dogs because they get like really riled up and want like playtime and stuff. So yeah, I just wanted to have something small up here that I can store those things. I ended up going to Walmart and finding one that was, I don't remember the brand, but it was just like a really small square one, and it actually fit drinks and everything perfectly. But when I was shopping for it, I ended up seeing a warning, like caution sign on the side of it, and it said like warning, like may have like cancerous, I don't know, something that might cause cancer in the fridge. So maybe like the things that cool it down or whatever. So I ended up going online and looking for something that was a little bit more environmental friendly, and I came across this one right here. When I found this online, I realized that like this is a very popular mini fridge for skincare. So then I started like deep diving and looking into why it's good to keep your skincare products in a mini fridge or just in your refrigerator in general. So yeah, it makes your products last a lot longer and the active ingredients work better on the skin. So I ended up getting the Cooluli fridge. They have this really cute little one that's like 7 liters. That one's really cute. You can store it in your bathroom, your bedroom, like your nightstand or whatever. But I just felt like that one wasn't enough space for me to keep all my skincare and my drinks. So I ended up going with a bigger size. So yeah, like I said, they have a 7 liter, a 10 liter, 15 liter, and a 20 liter is the biggest size. I ended up going with this one, which is the 15 liter, and I wanted to do this video kind of like vlog style so I can like show you guys really up close and personal what my skincare products are. But yeah, this one's perfect. I can keep my protein shakes and my skincare all in one, and it gets really cold. I did get mine from Amazon because they were sold out on their website. So if you guys want, I'll link it down below if you're interested. But yeah, I'll just put all the information of this one and the website, so that way if you want to look up any other sizes. But I'm just gonna zoom in. I'm gonna take the camera off of the stand and zoom in so you guys can see what's inside my little mini beauty fridge. So this is what my beauty fridge looks like on the outside. I love this one because it has like the glass on the front. It has like a really pretty glitter. I don't know if you can see that there, and it also says Cooluli right here. And I just have it on this stand that I purchased at IKEA, and then I just have some paper straws under here if I want to grab a shake in the afternoon or morning. I just come in here and grab one and a little straw, so I have those stored there. And I also have this cute bamboo plant. This started as a little stub and it's like thriving right now. It's so pretty. So yeah, that's its home for right now. But yeah, I love this fridge. This is the side view of it, like the depth of it. And then this is really cool. It has a handle on the top so you can carry it. One thing that I love about this fridge too is you can use this on the go. It has a charger that you can plug into the car. So in the little like cigarette socket thing, you just plug it in there and plug it into the fridge, and you can keep this cold in your car. So this is so cool. It has 2 different settings on the back, hot and cold, and you can keep things cold or warm. So if it's like wintertime and you want to bring like soup to work, or you're going like on a road trip, you can keep things hot in here. So it has 2 different settings. And yeah, this handle's here so you can carry it. So yeah, this is neat. I didn't know that you can put it in your car, so I'm thinking of getting a smaller one for traveling because I think that's so cool. But I'm gonna open it up and show you guys what's inside my beauty fridge. So this comes with 2 little shelves, and I took one of them out just so I can fit taller products in here, but you could put the other one in here. It's the same exact one as this one, and have like more room to put stuff on the shelves. And then it also brings 2 little shelves on the door that you can store stuff in. So I'm gonna start in here, and then I'll show you guys the stuff that I have on the side. So Up here I just keep my like face mask and creams. So this is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I love this stuff. Elemis, they actually sell it now at Ulta, but the first time I tried it I was on a cruise and I got a facial and they gave me they use the Elemis products, so I have purchased it before and these products are really good. So I have this in here just cooling down, and then I also have a face mask. This is the Origins Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask. I haven't used this one yet, it's brand new, but I put it in there so I can get nice and cold. That helps when you put a face mask on and it's cold. It just helps with swelling and depuffing. And I also have my roller here. This one I ended up getting in LA and it's from Honeybell, and I love using this every day before I put makeup on, or in the morning if I'm a little puffy. I'll just roll this on my face and it cools your face down and it feels so good, and it's actually really good for getting out toxins and things like that. So I have this one. It's really pretty with rose gold. I'm thinking of getting a jade one to put in here as well, so when I do my husband's like face mask and things like that. So back here I have another face mask, and this one is called Cosmetic Warrior, and I ended up getting this one recently at Lush. This is one of their fresh face masks, and my favorite one that I get all the time is the Don't Look at Me. That's like the one that I've used for years, but this time I want to try a new one, so I ended up getting Cosmetic Warrior. So I'm gonna try this one out. It smells really nice. It's like natural, doesn't have any strong scents in it. And then to the right side I have my Ocean Salt Scrub. Oh, this stuff smells so good and it's so gritty, and I don't know, I just love this. But this one you can keep outside of your fridge, but I put it in here just because it has like sea salt and lime. So yeah, I just put it in here. I feel like it feels really nice when it's cold, so I put it in here. And then back here I have my green tea eye gel patches. I also ended up getting this at a Korean store in LA, and I love these. These are like so relaxing. Any type of like under eye gel patches are good if you have any puffiness under your eye, or you're gonna do like a face mask. You can kind of put these on. Sorry, it's like hard to focus. But yeah, I like these a lot too. This is still pretty full. I have like half. So that's what I keep up here on the top shelf for now. Just gonna put this stuff back. So yeah, everything fits in there perfectly, and then I still have a ton of room if I want to lay some things here. I'm thinking of putting one of my hand creams in here from Lush. That way when I use it, sometimes my skin's like itchy and irritated. It'll just be like nice and cold. So yeah, as you can see, this is a ton of room that I still have up there to put stuff. And then I'm gonna show you guys what I have down here really quickly. You're supposed to, just like with any mini fridge, you're supposed to let it defrost, unplug it and let it defrost and just wipe up the water. But I've been so busy the past 2 weeks that I haven't been able to defrost it. So I'm gonna defrost it tonight. It has just like a little bit of ice there, so it gets like a little buildup here of ice, but it comes off really easily once you unplug it. It melts and then you just wipe it up. So I have to keep up with that. But down here I have my protein shakes, and I drink these all the time, like morning, night, throughout the day. This is the first thing I have for breakfast in the morning. So these are the Evolve shakes, and these are the chocolate flavor. They're just a plant-based protein, and it has a lot of protein in it, 20 grams of protein. So yeah, this is my favorite protein shake at the moment. I just drink these faithfully, so I have them stored in here. Another thing I have in here, which I've been loving, is this Glow Recipe watermelon mist. This smells so good. It smells just like watermelon, and this has a really nice mister on it. And what I do is I use this after I wash my face. I'll use it like before I apply makeup. After I apply my makeup, I'll set it with this, and it has a really nice mister. It's like very fine mist, and also like it's continuous, so if you hold it down it'll kind of spray it for a little longer. But one thing that I love is this is clean at Sephora. So basically when you shop at Sephora and you type in clean skincare or clean makeup, everything with the little green circle or logo pops up is clean. So it probably doesn't have any like bad or harsh chemicals in it, and it's just like safer for you. So yeah, this is really good. I think I'm gonna purchase more glow products, glow recipe products, because I'm like in love with this one. And another favorite of mine recently has been this Biosense, and this is the vitamin C squalene, I think it's squalene or squalane rose mask. And I ended up getting this as a recommendation from Dr. Mona. I watched one of her videos and I discovered her channel recently, and she recommended this for your skin, and I'm actually in love with it. It works so good. It doesn't affect my allergies or anything, and this is another clean at Sephora product. So yeah, this stuff's really good. If you're looking for a good mask, try that one out. And when I purchased it, it also came with the vitamin C rose oil, so I'm actually trying this out right now as well. I'm gonna test this out and see how I like it. And then to the right here, I ended up purchasing 2 of the new Kylie Skin products. I'm still using the milk toner. I'm not sure if I'm like super in love with it or not yet, because I haven't used it enough. I've only used it twice, so I don't know if I see like a huge difference, but I do love the consistency of it. It's very like milky and it smells so good, and it doesn't have like any like flowery fragrance that usually makes me break out, but this has been like really nice so far on my skin. And I also got the Kylie Skin eye cream. This, I've actually been liking it a lot so far. I'm not sure when I apply makeup, I think I have to like let it dry up. I kind of apply it while it's still wet, so I have to like let it dry and try it out like that. But after I wash my face at night and I put this on, I actually really like it. I know there's people with like mixed emotions about it, but I like it a lot. I like that it has like a little bit of a yellow tint to it as well, because I feel like it kind of brightens my under eye a little. Yeah, you can see it there. It has like a little bit of like a yellow tint to it. And I don't know, I've noticed that my under eyes have been looking better the past couple weeks. So yeah, I'm gonna keep using that and try it, but so far I really do like the under eye cream. So as you can see there, I have all this stuff in here and I still have space on the bottom, and I don't think this bottle's interfering with like this shelf too much, so I could add the other shelf and store some more stuff, but for now this is what I have on the top and bottom. I'm gonna defrost that tonight because it's been like sitting there for a couple days. And now I'm gonna show you guys what I put here. So here I like to put my face mask. I kind of like tuck this one under so they stay in place, but if you can actually remove these, you can have this one and remove this one, or vice versa. So I actually put both of them on there because my face masks aren't really crazy tall where they wouldn't fit, and I actually like that I can tuck this one a little bit to hold the other face mask in. So yeah, I'm just leaving it like this for now. But at the bottom here I have these Wander Beauty baggage claim gold eye masks, and these are just under eye mask sheets. They have like gold foil. I love these so much. I have to buy more of these. They're so good. The rest of the things here are just like my sheet mask. So this one is the same brand as my green tea gel patches, but this is actually a therapy mask, and it's a 3-step mask, and yeah, it's Korean. I love Korean skincare, so I have that one there. I'm gonna try this one out. This is a Changing Magic Foot peeling shoes. So I don't know if your skin peels when you try this out or not. I'm not sure. I've never used this before, but I saw it at Ulta and I was like kind of curious to know what this does for your feet. So I'm like, all right, I'll give it a try. So I put that in there too because I feel like it would feel good to have it like nice and cold. I also picked up the dual rubber mask. It's just like a rubber sheet mask, and it has like this moisture cream. Yeah, these are basically all Korean skincare products except for the Wander Beauty. And then this one I also got at Ulta, the Uzu bear. So I don't know if it comes, yeah, the mask is shaped like a little bear. That's so cute. But I'm gonna try this one out too. I haven't tried any of these products out, but I just put them in here so when I put them on they'll be like nice and cold and help me if I'm feeling like a little puffy or whatever. So yeah, that's everything that I can fit here. And this rubber mask is really tall and it fits just like that. So yeah, you can put any of your sheet mask or whatever you want in here. And then the last little shelf I have here, I have these Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Sleeping Mask. I think this is a newer product and they sent me these samples, so I put them in here. I'm probably going to put one of these on tonight after I wash my makeup off. But yeah, I haven't tried these out yet. They're really cold. Like, everything in here gets really cold. So if you're looking for like something that's cold enough, I think this fridge is perfect. And then up here I just have a couple little products. This Clinique Prep Start for the under eyes. Then I have this little serum. This is new, I think, at Sephora. I'm pretty sure this is new, and it's called Volition or Volition. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but I think this is a new company. I'm not sure, but this is a strawberry seed serum, and it just looks so delicious. Like, it just looks like it's gonna be like a really good face serum. So I just put it in here to keep it nice and cold, and they ended up giving me this with like a $25 purchase. And then I have 3 more little items here. They're just so tiny and cute, so I keep them in this top shelf. But I have this Protini Polypeptide Cream. So this is just a cream by Drunk Elephant, and I keep that there. I love the colors. They like look so cute together. And then I also have the Lala Retro Whipped Cream as well in here. And yeah, these two are by Drunk Elephant. I really like these. And then last but not least, I have this little guy here. This is by Ilamasca, and this is new. I haven't tried it out yet. It's like a gel cream, so I wanted to chill it in here. Like I said, it's good to keep everything cold because it makes the products last longer and just makes them work better. So that's everything that I have in this little top shelf right here. I'm just gonna put these right back there. And yeah, just keep letting those get cold. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video on my little mini beauty fridge. It's so cute. I just love how adorable it is and how it just keeps everything cold. And yeah, it's like the perfect fridge if you're looking for something environmental friendly as well. If you guys want, I'm gonna leave the link down below to the same exact one if you guys are interested in it. If you're a guy, you can get these two for your car. If you're a gamer and you want to grab some drinks, too lazy to go downstairs, you can get one of these for like your room too. But I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.